Welcome to Holman's mine in Cornwall. This was a 7-hour trip down the country for us, guys. Hope you enjoy the video.
Whoa, do not want the wet feet yet.
Right, time to get stuck into the action. Here we need to fight our way through the cave system and gain superiority over the car extract.
He can't range, he can't range. Run! Oh, in the head. Got him. Oh, got him as well. I think I got him. Changing. Suppress the right.
Here I'm distracting them with my torch and suppressing, keeping well away from Joe whilst he closes the distance. Danger close, danger close. You got me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Just like the movies, nothing is ever that simple. With an enemy checkpoint up ahead, it's time to move up on foot and clear them out.
Push up! Right. There's loads on the ridge line. Get down, get down. Yo, you should be able to push up, boys. Two more on the van. I'm changing. Yeah. Down.
If you made it this far, guys, we appreciate you all for watching the videos. This was an absolute beautiful sight. The outdoor scenes were like something out of Lone Survivor. And huge open quarry with 2 miles worth of mineshaft cave systems. This was such a diverse and unique site. We'd highly recommend. But this pretty much wraps up the end of the video. We'd just like to give one big thank you to the staff down at Holman's for putting up an epic game day and being so helpful down in the local shop. And one last massive thanks to Name's Nico for inviting us along for the trip. Find his take from this day pinned in the description below.